I'm going to show you 3 places to find affiliate marketing programs, and I'm going to take you through some of the steps that you can do to actually get your affiliate links so you can start promoting straight away. So the first place that you're going to go to are affiliate sites. So I recommend going with ClickBank, PartnerStack, and Impact. So ClickBank is probably the most well-known one, and it has a huge variety of niches. PartnerStack and Impact are a little bit smaller. They do tend to focus on software. So if you are in that niche or in the online niche, anything like that, then those sites are good there. I'm going to be going through ClickBank though, because that is the biggest one, but I still recommend having a look at these two. The second place that you can find affiliate programs, believe it or not, is literally on Google. You can type into Google affiliate programs and you will be surprised what comes up. And I'm going to show you how you can find them and join them that way. I've also got my own personalized list that I've curated with high paying affiliate programs, and you can grab that from the link in the comment section below of the video. So what I recommend that you do is, once I go through some of the platforms and I just show you how everything works, is just to join a few affiliate programs, maybe three affiliate programs, and maybe only look at 1 or 2 of these ways to actually get the affiliate links so that you don't overwhelm yourself. But let's get stuck into the first one, which is This is the website ClickBank. I've already signed up, and on any of the affiliate marketing platforms, it should always be free. It should never cost you anything to sign up as an affiliate. So once you go through the sign up process, it's pretty easy. It's usually a step by step. You can go to the login in ClickBank, and just underneath the sign up form is actually create an account. And that's the same for PartnerStack and Impact. You just need to create an account and answer some questions, and then they will give you access to an account. So I'm just going to sign in. This is my test dashboard or my test account, and I'm going to come to the marketplace, which is where you're going to be able to browse so many different types of affiliate marketing offers. So as I said before, ClickBank does have so many different types of niches. So if you come to the all section, you can see how many different types of niches there are. So you will definitely be able to find an affiliate program that's perfect for you. Like I said before, it is highly recommended that you only join a couple and really hone in on which ones would suit you the best. So I'm just going to have a look at the health and fitness section, and you can see that there are so many to join here. Now, that's the same with Impact and PartnerStack or any of the affiliate networking marketing sites. They will have like a marketplace where you can search for different types of affiliate programs. So you can see the average conversion or the commission that you're going to be getting from this type of program. And there are differences between affiliate programs, so you need to dig deep and have a look at which one's going to be the best one for you. Just a quick little tip. I would always recommend looking for ones that have a reoccurring commission, because that means that once it's sold once, there'll be another payment that keeps coming and coming and coming. Usually it's a subscription or something like that. So you can see that there are so many different types of affiliate programs that you can join. So have a look at them and make sure that they align with what you're doing and that you believe in. And if you're in the health and fitness niche, I'm not, but if I was, I would, click on the affiliate page and I would see exactly what all the terms and conditions are. They usually have that. And I would probably actually have a look at the product as well. So I have no idea because I'm not in this niche. I don't know what Revive Daily is. So I would probably just have a look at their website as well, just to make sure that it is legit. Like, this obviously looks like it's some sort of like supplement to make you feel really, really great and revive your energy. So what you can do from there, if you would like to join the affiliate program, is you can go to promote, and then all you need to do is create the link. I'll just add in my name, create the link, and you will see that there is a link that is there. Now that is your affiliate link there. I highly recommend, like I said before, only joining a couple of affiliate programs, otherwise you can get a little bit overwhelmed. And when you focus all of your marketing efforts into promoting only a few affiliate programs, it's going to be a lot better for you than trying to promote 50 affiliate programs at once, especially when you're starting. So you can just grab like a notes pad and you can copy and paste that link there if you want to, or you can grab that high paying affiliate link list, and it also actually works as a link management system. So you can just easily use a simple Google Sheet to manage your affiliate links. Now, the next place that I was going to show you with Google, and it is really simple. I don't know why this sometimes passes people's brains, but you can find affiliate marketing programs just by searching. So I can already see one that's come up here, which is Rewardful. So I'm just going to click on this one. It's a sponsored post, but you can go through. You might want to, instead of just writing just affiliate marketing programs, you might want to write like health and fitness affiliate marketing programs. And the thing is that sometimes with the affiliate marketing sites, they don't always list every single affiliate marketing program out there in the world. That's why it's always really good to do a Google as well, because you might get platforms and things that you are not available on those sites. So I just want to see and have a look if they've actually got an affiliate program for the affiliate software. So I can see down the bottom here, it says affiliate program. So let's say you can. Okay, so they have a recurring commission. So that's even better. So you can join their program and you'll get 25 commission on all payments for the first 12 months. So that's pretty good. So that's a recurring one. So that is the second way that you can find affiliate programs, is literally just by doing a Google search and then going on those websites and finding out how you can join. Now, I just wanted to show you one more way that you can find affiliate programs, and it's by just going through anything that you use in your life at the moment. It might be like a tool or something like that, and you might love it. And you can actually check on their website to see if they offer an affiliate program. Sometimes they don't put them down the bottom, but they're actually in the login section. So I know that Flowdesk, because I used it ages and ages ago, I know that they don't necessarily have an affiliate program, but they have a referral program. So that's kind of the same. And I'm just going to show you where it's located. So this is under Share Flowdesk. So it is an affiliate program, but it's more like a share with your friend kind of thing. But here's the affiliate link right there. So I can just grab that, and when I send this around, people get 50% off their first year, and I'll get $19 when they join. So that's the affiliate link there. So I can pop that with my other affiliate link, which is right there. And you can see why that Excel spreadsheet that I've got comes in handy, because if you've got like 5 links of different things, or even 3 links, these kind of become a little bit like ugly and hard to manage and things like that. So that's why that spreadsheet is really good. But those are the different ways that you can find affiliate programs to join, and it's pretty easy. Some of them take longer than others, so just give yourself time to join. So I had a bit of a brainwave while I was recording this video, so this is a little bit of an insert, but I forgot to mention that the other place that you can look for an affiliate programs is InsideSystem.io. So System.io is a marketing tool, and it does like email campaigns and funnel building and all that kind of stuff. But inside it has a marketplace full of affiliate programs that you can join. It also has its own affiliate program as well. But you can see that there are so many different affiliate programs in here. Now, this is usually like info products, templates, and software, stuff like that. But once you sign up for a System.io account, I'll link that below in the comment section, you can come in here and you can promote it straight away. So I would just let's just say I'm going to filter, and I'm going to promote this one here. So it will give you all the details about it. And you can see the sales pages, and you can see exactly what's inside there. And if you can see also the opt-in pages as well. So you can see exactly what you're promoting, and everything is built inside System.io. So it actually makes it really easy to promote the offers. I'll probably do a separate video for how you actually promote products inside System.io or affiliate programs from System.io, because there is quite a few different ways that you can do things. But I just wanted to insert it in here to let you know that you can join these affiliate programs as well. I wanted to show you the Google Sheet that I've got with this is my personalized list of high-paying affiliate links. Some of them are recurring, some of them are not, but they are all really, really good affiliate programs. So basically what you can do is you can download this for free, you can make a copy, and you can use it exactly how you like. So you can come into the links, and I've written descriptions of all of the affiliate programs that I belong to and that I think are really, really good. And I've written any comments there. Now, once you make a copy, you can put your own affiliate link there. So remember those ones that we grabbed. So let's just say I did like Flowdesk, for example. I could put Flowdesk up there, and then I would know every time I wanted to promote Flowdesk, I could just come and grab that link and never get confused. So all you need to do if you want to come and join any of these programs is you can just click on here, and like, for example, I've got System.io, TubeBuddy, Descript. You just come on here and look for the affiliate program on the website, and you can join it and then just update the spreadsheet with your own affiliate link. Of course, you don't have to use join any of these programs if none of them suit you. You could just like delete this whole thing and then just put in your own ones if you wanted to. But I do recommend having a look at these because I've researched all of these and I know that they are really good ones. Most of them are software based because that is my niche. Like, I like online stuff and things like that. But if you work online, there will be one affiliate program in here that you will be able to join. If you want to join me and make your first $1,000 with affiliate marketing as a beginner, I've put all my steps and resources into an easy to follow course, which is linked down below, and I hope to see you on the inside. If you enjoyed my content today, please make sure to like and subscribe, leave any questions below. As I said, I answer all of my comments, and make sure to check out this video because it's going to help you level up even further.